today we're going to learn how to make a ham sandwich with chicken schnitzel. So, as you see, I have two breads on the top of this plate. Now, first we put in the ham. The ham is really important because it's just ham sandwich. Now, we put the necessary requirements like cheese. The cheese is really important. It's feta cheese from, Okay, now let's put the lettuce in. Okay, these will help with the nutritions in this ham sandwich. Okay, and last but not least, we forgot the chicken schnitzel. You can put it anywhere, but I want to put it next to ham, so it's very delicious. Okay, now we put these two breads together, and we have a ham sandwich. It's gonna be very yummy. Okay.